It's clear enough your voice, by the way. Sis. Okay, so we wait for the others first here. How's life today, Sis Fifi?
Yeah, I'm good. Thank you for asking. And how about you, bro? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm great
You
as
busy
well.
today?
No, I'm not, by the way. Why?
No, I think that you have a many class in a day.
So
How many
actually,
class do you teach?
I teach 3 classes, by the way, and then this is my last class. So I started teaching at 7 p.m., by the way, Sis Fifi.
Oh, 7 p.m.
7
In the
p.m.
morning,
and
you have no class in the morning?
I am the part-time tutor, by the way, Sis Fifi, and a speaking partner. So that actually my active time for teaching started at 4 p.m. until 10 p.m.
Oh, okay.
So because in the morning, uh actually I am still student of the college, so that and the particular day I will study, right? I will study as a student in the
Oh,
morning until afternoon, so that in the afternoon at 4 a.m. 4 p.m. until 10 if I'm free, so I will teach with that.
wow, what a great student. You already have a side job.
Yep. So maybe
So
actually,
I think, yeah,
so actually this one, yeah, I can say that it's my obligation as a tutor, maybe, but
yeah,
actually my intention, I will not think that is my real job, because maybe I only want to share about my experience when I study English after that, and then I want to share about the knowledge that I've got right that. So but maybe I can get the allowance as well, yeah, alhamdulillah.
yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, I can kill two birds with one stone lah, kayak gitu ya, buat tambah-tambah uang jajan.
Yeah, I know how that feel. I know it. Because yeah, I'm also worked when I was in college also,
Okay, yeah, yeah.
so I have a side job at the time, and
Actually,
it's
I
good.
am really fine, yeah, and then I'm so happy when I have to teach, even though it's
Yeah,
in an institutions, by the way, dalam suatu instansi kan, it's my obligations because I am working for that institutions, like that,
yeah,
especially for speaking partner. But actually, I will not take a position as a tutor. I just want to take a position as a partner of you here. So I want to share about my experience. Maybe if you have some problems when you are studying English, I will teach you here. I will try to share my opinion as well here. Jadi saya nggak menempatkan sebagai tutor, tapi mungkin sebagai partner sharing saja seperti itu ya.
yeah. What a
Oke,
great. Nice to hear that.
oke,
By the way,
oke.
bro,
Hmm,
you still a student in college, and
hmm.
what is your major? But you already fluent in English, and your English is good. That's why you going to be a tutor here.
So by the
Really,
way, I
it's
took
it's opposite
mhm.
with your major.
Sorry.
Opposite with your major.
Yeah, that's the
I mean,
opposite with my major. By the way, I took computer technique or computer engineer ya, like that. Teknik komputer sih kayak gitu.
my goodness.
Okay, so because at the time I thought that I can get or I can improve my English in Pare Kampung Inggris, so that I want
Oh,
to take the other major, right? In for honestly, I don't want to be a tutor, so that I told you that I
why?
took a position as a partner only here ya. So jadi kan
Okay,
sebenarnya
I
nggak mau
see.
jadi tenaga pengajar kayak gitu. Jadi ya sekalian sharing dan juga maintenance my English until I finish my bachelor
College,
degree, yeah, my
bachelor. Yeah,
college like that, so that I will take English as my soft skills like that. Jadi kan bisa mendukung
yeah,
untuk cari kerja nantinya
yeah.
gitu.
I think when
That's
you have your graduate your a degree, so you already ready to get a better job, I think.
I mean, yeah. So we don't know lah.
Sudah terbentuk itu apa? Bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Tidak.
Pokoknya lulusan yang sudah benar-benar terbentuk itu gimana ngomongnya?
Come again, please. By the way, tadi awalnya apa sih,
Eh,
Vivi?
Lulusan yang benar-benar
Lulusan.
sudah terbentuk, maksud terbentuk
Oke.
secara karakter jadi nggak hanya tahu tentang teoritis di perkuliahan, tetapi sudah practicing sebagai dalam hal pekerjaan juga gitu. Itu namanya sudah terbentuk itu apa bahasa Inggrisnya
Has
ngomongnya
been
gimana?
formed, by the way. Yang sudah
Oh, has
dibentuk,
been
sudah
formed. Has been formed. Oh
and
iya
then
ya, has been formed.
I got my own character like that maybe, right? As a graduations kayak gitu. Graduator.
Udah lima
Yeah.
peserta. Oh, kita ngobrol
Yeah.
sendiri. Sorry ya.
So it's really okay, by the way. Hello, Bro Bisma, Bro Alim, and Sis Novisari. Welcome to the class, everyone. And how's life today?
Sorry ya, aku menyita waktu kalian.
Okay. Halo, Sis Novisari, Bro Bisma, and Bro Alim.
Hah?
Yes, good evening, bro.
Okay. How are you today, Francis?
Very well, bro.
Okay, I'm
So
great. I'm glad to hear
just
that.
got home.
You just got home?
Yes.
Okay. So are you exhausted, Bro Halim? Lelah nggak, bro? Of course, like that ya.
Of course, like that.
Okay, I see. So maybe right now you can follow up the class while taking a rest. It's really okay, bro. While laying down in your bed, like that, it's really okay, yeah. So what about Bro Bisma, Sis Novisari? How's life today?
Hello, good evening all.
Okay, great. So how's life today, Sis Novi?
I don't feel better today. When I woke up this morning, I got stomach aches.
Oh,
And
stomachache,
yeah, and I visited doctor because
Oh, okay. I'm sorry to hear that.
it's really hard.
But how about right now? Have you been better?
Yeah, it's going better now.
Okay,
I'm happy
yeah.
because tomorrow I will have business trip. I will go to
Oh, yeah.
Palembang. Yeah, I hope I will be fit.
Yeah, I hope so. So I hope that you can get better
Getting
soon.
better, sis.
Yeah, thank you, sis.
Semoga cepat sembuh ya nanti, dan karena ada perjalanan dinas nih, jadi harus bersedia ya kayak gitu. Preparedness. Atau ke dalam keadaan siap siaga juga ya, Sis Novisari ya. Okay, so how long will you be staying there, by the way, in Palembang, Sis Novisari?
I will be there for a week. So
Okay,
yeah, I will be back to Bogor on 19. Yeah.
Okay, I see. So be good on the way, yeah. Later, I hope that you can pass all of that.
Yeah.
Safety, yeah.
Yeah.
Safely as well.
I will enter Pristine Forest. Not actually, this is not Pristine Forest, but secondary forest. But this is kind of conservation area.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see.
And we will see elephant in this area.
Wow, it's great, by the way, right? To see the elephant here. Okay, over there, I mean. Okay, great.
Yeah.
So, and then?
Yeah, but I don't want to meet elephant because my purpose to go to this place is to survey the
only
three
survey.
species, three species inside of the forest.
Why don't you want to meet like an elephant or something like that?
Yeah,
Are
because
you afraid of them?
no, there is regulation from BKSDA, the institution who manage this area. If we meet elephant, even it is only foot finger, it means that the area will be forbidden for us because it will be
Okay, I see.
dangerous if we enter to that area.
Oh yeah, we don't know because they are like it's kind of wild animal, right? So we don't
Yeah.
know what will happen over there, something like that. So we try to protect ourselves as well over there, right?
Yes.
Okay, I see, I see. Great, great. So yeah, be careful as well, yeah, for their letters is Nobisari.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Okay, so maybe without further ado, let's open it first, Francis, our class tonight by praying together. Praying begin. Okay, are you watching football by the way, Sis Novisari? Lagi nonton bola ya?
No, it's not football, but volleyball.
Oh, volleyball.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I see. So do you like playing volleyball?
Yeah. Yes, I do.
Okay, great, great. Were you
And
an athlete of volleyball?
local athletes, I mean,
Wow.
in my village.
Okay. Yeah, in your Brighton Sea like that ya.
Yeah.
Bisa di kayak di kecamatan dan lain sebagainya di kampung. Okay, I see. Okay, so I'm gonna show you, Francis, about our lessons for tonight. We still continue our lessons yesterday. By the way how to open, okay, the opener, the openings when we want to give our opinion. By the way, Francis, this one before I personally believe here. Saya secara personal, secara pribadi setuju, teman-teman, atau percaya bisa ya. Okay. So today's goals is elaborating ideas concisely. By the way, teman-teman. Jadi kita sekarang akan mencoba untuk memberikan atau memperinci gagasan ya, teman-teman, dengan segala bentuk pertimbangannya, teman-teman. Okay. Phrases to argue or to give opinion. Jadi ini adalah frase-frase yang akan kita gunakan ketika kita ingin berargumen atau memberikan opini kita, pendapat kita ya. This one, the easier or more casual. Jadi ini yang lebih mudah dan juga mungkin lebih nyantai ya, teman-teman ya. The first, you can go with frankly. Ya, frankly means same as honestly actually, Francis. Sejujurnya ya, teman-teman, secara belak-belakan. Seperti itu. So you can use this one before you mention your opinion or you give your argument here. Oke, jadi teman-teman bisa menggunakan ini. Frankly, as I see it, seperti yang saya lihat, kayak gitu ya. In my eyes, menurut pandangan saya, to my mind, bagi saya atau berdasarkan pemikiran saya, in my opinion, pendapat saya, and it seems to me, oke, menurut tampaknya, tampak maksudnya adalah menurut saya atau tampak dari opini saya, seperti itu. I have no doubt, okay, I have no doubt that, kayak gitu. Then I have the feeling that, saya punya perasaan bahwa, and then I do believe, I do feel, I do thinking. Do itu tambahan emphasizing ya, Francis, untuk menekankan. Jadi teman-teman kalau bilang I do believe, I believe itu kan saya percaya, I feel saya merasa. Tapi kalau ada tambahan do-nya, itu bisa menekankan, sangat bisa juga teman-teman. I do believe, saya sangat percaya. I do feel, saya sangat merasakan. I do think, pikiran saya itu sangat, maksudnya seperti itu. Oke, so jadi ini bisa digunakan untuk teman-teman when you want to share your argument or your opinion, Francis. Ini yang easier or more casualnya. Okay, let's go. This one academic or more formal. Kalau dengan lebih formalnya, teman-teman bisa. I tend to think that from my point of view, as far as I am concerned, to the best of my knowledge, I'm absolutely convinced that, and then this one, I think it's fair or reasonable to say. Jadi ini untuk saya maksudnya adil dan juga sangat penuh dengan ide, alasan kayak gitu teman-teman. Jadi punya alasan yang kuat kayak gitu teman-teman. Untuk bilang bahwasannya mungkin I'm entirely or quite convinced. Saya agak yakin kayak gitu ya teman-teman bahwa then this may well be controversial. Ini mungkin akan menjadi sedikit dan juga lebih kontroversi kayak gitu. But jadi pendapatnya mungkin teman-teman. My view, my opinion, or my belief, oke, keyakinan saya, pendapat saya atau sudut pandang saya seperti itu ya. And then my impressions atau my convictions is that bahwasannya di sini. Jadi ini sama seperti opening kemarin. Bedanya kalau kemarin kan teman-teman menerima pertanyaan saja ya. Sedangkan untuk ini adalah ketika teman-teman ingin menunjukkan argumennya or your opinion by the way Francis. You apply this after this and then pick your preferable phrases. Jadi teman-teman silahkan pilih. Mungkin teman-teman silahkan pilih salah satu beberapa while you note it into your paper, into your book, into your module maybe Francis. You can choose one of them or two of them and then put this one, the academic or more formal, two after or one of them, it's okay Francis. Okay, so sekarang kita coba di sini dengan pertanyaannya langsung ya. Don't forget to use your opening phrases and opinion phrases when speaking. Jadi teman-teman kasih openingnya dulu kayak wow, it's a great questions. Oke, dan kemudian teman-teman barulah menggunakan pembawaan ini atau prolog ini untuk teman-teman ketika ingin menyampaikan argumennya seperti itu. Okay, so directly we ask you, Francis. So do you think friendship is important nowadays, Francis? So who wants to answer it first? It's okay. Sis Fifi, maybe? It's okay if you want to answer it first, by the way, Sis Fifi. Do you think friendship is important nowadays, Sis Fifi?
Wow, it's hard. Okay, I'll try.
Mm-hmm.
Halo? Oh,
Directly you
tes.
can, okay, we can hear your voice.
Denger ya?
Dengar.
Ya. Oh, apa tadi pertanyaan?
Do you think friendship is important nowadays? Apakah pertemanan itu penting pada saat ini di zaman sekarang?
Friendship. Well, what a good question. Yeah, talking about this, I do believe that the friendship is important until nowadays.
Mhm.
Yeah, to be honest, in my best on experience, I have a lot of friends from from any circles, and actually until now I'm still have a keep in touch with them. Yeah, okay, let's say some of them maybe have been ignored me, but not
Mhm.
all. Yeah, but I think nowadays I don't know exactly to say. Some of them just call me or contact me for specific purpose, right? But I think it's okay as far I can give my favor to them. But yeah, in my experience, I have a bad experience when I got bankrupt.
Hmm.
The most of them disappeared. Really, the most of them disappeared. It's ever happened to me, and yeah, but how lucky I am at the time. There is a person who have been helped me for raising my business again, and until now, and we have a good relationship that it's more than a friendship.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's like a family, I think. Uh, so in my opinion, it doesn't care how many my friends, but the important is how I can give my benefits to them unconditional. Yeah, sorry, I apologize to you all guys. Maybe I can describe the detail, but yeah, but for me, friendship one of the most important things in life. For me, job, cities, and circumstances change, right? But best friend are constant. Ya,
Mhm.
tetap ada tuh apa konstan ya?
Yeah, still constant and then still appear. It's okay, masih ada, masih tampak.
Yeah, okay. For me, a friendship is hardest thing in the world to explain because it's not something I learned in school, but I have not learned. If I have not learned the meaning of friendship, I really have not learned anything. Yeah, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
it's from me, guys. Yeah, by the way,
Okay. So
it's
it's
enough
such
from
as
me.
this
Thank
one,
you
yeah,
for the
maybe
time.
Sis Fifi.
Yes.
Maybe you can say like it's that they don't want to know about our process, but if we have accept or earn our best result, so they will come to
Yes.
us directly ya.
Ya, ya.
Gitu. Mungkin kan mereka nggak mau tahu prosesnya, tapi kalau tahu
Prosesnya
kita
ya betul.
hasilnya udah bagus, mereka bakalan deketin lagi ya. They will approach us, okay? Indirectly, secara nggak langsung juga kayak gitu ya. Okay, I see, I see. Great, thank you so much, Sis Vivi, for answering my questions. So, Sis Vivi, you can ask the other question to your friends right now.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah.
the
It's
same
I
question
have no.
first.
I never underestimate word. It's too important for me because.
Mhm.
Uh. Pardon.
You can ask the same questions to your friends right now.
Okay, okay. So how about you? Siapa aja ini tadi?
Sis Novisari,
Bro
Bro
Bisma.
Halim, and Bro Bisma. Okay, Bro Bisma.
Bro Bisma. So what do you think? A friendship. What do you think? Yeah. Do you think friendship is important nowadays? How about your opinion about that?
Okay, thank you very much. This is a good question to me. It can be controversial a little bit, but for me, friendship is not really important nowadays. Because
Okay.
why? Because sometimes when you make a friends with someone, like you only need something that what you want to this
Mhm.
Yeah,
guy or this friends or this person. So I think that we don't need like too close to them or to uh our friends. But I think that's as long as we kind to them, as long as we communicate very well to them, I think that it's
Okay.
okay. For example, like right now, if we want to see in my experience, like I joined certain boot camps about data science actually. So I only contact someone because I want to know the answers of the difficult questions, and I contact with them maybe around 2 months, 3 months. And after that, after the project is accomplished, it's not we don't have any communications anymore. So I think that's yes, I know that it will be controversial, but I think that this is what I see right now because
Yeah, as your experience, right?
yeah,
the
yeah.
generation Z
I
right
know that.
now, the people's only needs what you want and what I want. If you can give me benefits and also I can give you benefits, I think that it's okay. Not be equal in the
Oh, yeah,
friendships.
I see.
Yes, maybe that's it for me. Thank you.
Okay, so can I
Wow, great.
ask something maybe like this one, Bro Bisma, that actually we don't really need a friendship, but if we can give any benefits to them and then they can do that or give a benefit back to us or give us the feedback, by the way, so that's enough. So we don't need to still keep in touch with them because some of them they only come to us to get the what they want, and then after that they will leave us like that, maybe, bro.
Yes, yes, yes. It's really
Mhm.
true.
Okay, okay, I see, I see.
Yeah,
Great,
based on
great.
experience. Yeah.
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
sometimes I do something like this.
okay,
Yeah.
great, great. Okay, Bro Prisma, you can ask the other question. Brad Sisefi, you don't need to turn off your mic. Later, you can respond our friends' opinion as well. Okay, silakan Bro Prisma tanya pertanyaan yang sama kepada temannya. It's okay.
Okay, I want to ask Sis Novisari. Okay. Okay, Sis Novisari, do you
Yes.
think friendship is important nowadays?
Well, what a good questions. Uh, in my opinions, I have no doubt that friendship is important nowadays. We need friends not only when we have difficult situations, but when we have friends, it's mean that we expand our networks. So sometimes we don't know that. For example, sometimes we meet our spouse because we know him or her from my friend, and also sometimes we get a job because friend give us information that there is a job vacation that's suitable for us. So that's why my opinion that friendship is important because we
Okay.
can expand our networks. That's my
Yeah.
opinion.
Okay. So Sis Abisari say that friendship is still important nowadays, by the way, Francis, because we can expand our networking, our relations while having friendship with someone like that. Yeah. Hey, great, great. So right now, maybe Sis Abisari, you can ask the others here. Bro Halim or Bro Fatah nih baru join nih.
Yeah, thank you. I would like to ask to Bro Fatah.
Mhm.
Hello, Bro Fatah.
Oh, Bro Fatah's.
All right.
Okay, yeah.
Can
Okay,
you
great.
hear me?
We can
Yes.
hear your voice clearly, by the way, Bro Fatah.
Okay. Do you think friendship is important nowadays? Please give your opinion.
Okay. Wow, what a nice question, I think. Talking about friendship. I have no doubt that friendship is very, very important. Yeah, because someone who has a close friend, or BTF, best friend forever, will have more support and positive encouragement. This has a good impact on maybe psychological well-being and can reduce negative emotions such as anxiety, fear, and maybe loneliness. Friendship is where we establish relationship with other people. We usually call a friend, but I think it's more than friend. There is a strong sense of loyalty and trust. It allows us to share our feelings, thoughts, maybe ideas, or even the most secret personal events. So friendship is a close person. She or he more than just friend and can help us in distress. He or she is present in our words. So yeah, she or he not judges us when we do wrong, but remind us. Maybe that's it. So yeah,
Okay, so mhm,
so the friendship is very, very important. That's it.
yeah. So I think the kind of friendship that you mentioned is such like a positive friendship, ya, Bro Fatah ya. Yang jadi so
Yeah,
we can share about our emotions over there. So they will respect to us when we share about our maybe our problems. So they will listen to us, okay, carefully, like dengan sangat pedulinya kayak gitu ya, bro ya.
yeah,
So
right.
the man, but because sometimes we got like a bad or negative friendships as well, bro. So we have to avoid that, right? In this era and nowadays, by the way. Jadi kita
Yeah,
harus menghindari. We have to be more diligent to find our environment, yeah, of friendship environment. Okay, great, like that. Okay, Bro Fatah, maybe right now you can ask to Bro Halim.
okay. With the same question,
Yeah, you can use that, or uh, the
or
other questions using this one. It's really okay.
okay. Bro Halim, how are you?
Hello, Bro Fata. I'm fine.
Okay.
How are you,
Yeah,
bro? I
Bro
just winner.
Halim.
Oh, you.
Yeah, I come late, sorry. Bro Halim, do you think friendship is important nowadays?
Thank you, Bro Fata. Oh, wow, great question. Honestly, friendship is very important. Why? Uh, for illustrate, friendship are important because they help us building relationship with people who share the same value or interest, and friendship help us prevent loneliness or isolation and our support companion as we strive to live meaningful, and then they can also encourage us to propose our passion and dream and offer support or advice in difficult time. I think our friendship help our mental health and overall happiness. We build human relationship in our professional life and professional life. Not so many people stay on good terms with our friends. Usually, they tend to lose contact. So I can build a relationship even just through social media. In fact, maintaining relationship with all friends is something that must be done. Not only that, I think there are several other reasons that indicating that I must maintain relationship with all friends, and check out the complete discussion below. So usually there can be figure I have me in the past. Believe or not, all friends are figure who can help me in all situations, especially when I am experiencing problem. All that's come to our mind in contact them. I feel that my relationship with them tend to be closer. Uh, I think that's just my opinion, Bro Fata.
Okay,
Yes,
very good. Thank you, Bro Halim, and thank you, Bro Fatah, for asking Bro Halim, over that. Okay, and we jump into the second question, Francis. Here, I would like to ask you, you can directly open your mic and then tell me your opinion. And what do you think is the best time to get a new friends, Francis? So, who wants to enter it first? It's okay. You can open directly your mic and then give me your opinion. What do you think is the best time to get new friends, Francis?
Sorry, bro.
Hmm.
May I ask question?
Yeah.
Related the question.
Yep. It's really okay, Bro Fatah.
Okay. I don't understand with the question means a best time. What does it mean?
Okay,
Is
a
it
best time,
time
kira-kira.
like hours to hours and so on, or time as an event?
Okay, so let me tell you here. The question is, what do you think is the best time to get new friends? I mean that you can find the moment like that, right? Maybe what moment over there that it's a time, it's the best time, waktu yang tepat atau waktu yang sangat baik untuk teman-teman menemukan teman baru, kira-kira seperti itu. Mungkin ketika teman-teman sedang terpuruk, atau maybe if you come into the new environment, something like that, Bro Fata. Did you get the point?
Okay. Yeah, I see. Thank you.
Okay, so that's a question. What do you think is the best time to get new friends? Let's go, Francis. Open your mic and answer it.
Yeah, I like this question, bro.
Mm-hmm.
What a great question, I think. So my opinions, the best time to get new friend when we meet new persons. I mean, when we meet new people, this is the best time we make a new friends.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't think we have to meet for several time, and then after that we will make a friend with them, because we don't know our opportunity to meet them in other time. So that's why when we meet them at the time, I think that's the best time we make a new friend with them. So one of the example,
Mhm.
when for example in my case, sometimes I attend seminar
No.
or conference, and then I will meet new people and that's event. So we sometimes when we greet and introduce each other, and then sometimes we exchange our name cards. That's mean
Oh.
that someday we can communicate and we can contact each other. So it's mean that this is also the best time we get a new friends. So
Okay, I see.
we don't need to meet for several time, and then after that we will make a new friend with them. That's my opinion.
Okay, so what's the response from the others from Sis Novisari opinion, by the way, Francis? Silahkan.
Yeah, okay. By the way, maybe what this Novisari explained is right. It's the best time. So when we meet a new one in any occasion, but maybe I can edit. But mm, ya apa ya, duh, rame banget di sini. Nggak
What's that?
fokus. Rame banget. Yeah, I think when we meet a new one, whoever they are, yeah, I
Mhm.
think we have to a good behavior also and attitude, and then depend to them how to react for that and whether they want to be our friend or not. This is for
The
the additional for me. If
okay, the main
we
point
yeah
we have to filtrate first ya. Kita harus menyaringnya dulu.
yeah yeah yeah. Sorry, bro, it's
Mhm.
isn't here. Maybe I.
Okay, okay, it's really okay, Sis Sufi. So what about the other response, Francis? Do you have any opinions maybe about this one, Bro Bisma, Bro Halim, or Bro Fatah?
Hello, hello.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yep, yep.
For me, I agree with this Novisari for getting
Mhm.
new friends. For example, like when you say in the seminar, uh, like in the forum, you meet new persons. Maybe if I can give you the additional examples, like when you have the same hobbies in the certain communities, or
Oh.
when you meet in the certain events and you have same hobbies, maybe you can make relations with them, and sometimes you can sell item or buy item with your friends in that events, and after that, yes, of course, you can uh, maybe make a job together because you have the same hobbies, same way
Mhm.
for doing something. I think that this is the best time for getting new friends. Maybe that's it, so bro. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, good. I see, I see. So yeah, that's true. By the way, Francis, mungkin ya dari teman-teman kurang lebih betul seperti itu ya. I do agree. I couldn't agree more with your opinion. By the way, Francis, about that. Actually, the best time for us, maybe especially me here, because I've been staying in a Kampung Inggris Bali for a long time. I got new environment, by the way, Francis. I would like to share about my experience, and then the people who come here, by the way, they come from the other region, right? The other province, around Indonesia, ya gitu ya, all across Indonesia, by the way, Francis here. So it means it's our big opportunity, right, to make a relation, something like that, to expand our friendship. But remember, we have to filtrate first our friends, something like that. If they give us the bad or negative benefits, so we have to try to avoid them and then find the positive one, so that we can speak more, we can talk each other and then share about our experience. Maybe start from there, we can get some informations, maybe we can be a colleague of our business, something like that, right? Maybe what about you, the others? Mungkin kalau tambahan dari Bro Alim atau dari Bro Fatah, mungkin ada, mungkin dari Bro Alim atau dari Bro Fatah.
Bro Halim,
Hmm.
your turn, please. Bro Halim.
Maybe Bro Halim still oh ini.
Sorry, I just as a learner.
Oh,
As a
okay.
learner. I think not and not everyone can make a friend easily, bro.
Okay.
Making friend can be stressful for some people,
Mhm.
even though it might be uncomfortable for some people, especially some people have introvert.
Yeah.
So I think that's very difficult how to get a new friend.
So depend on the character of the people, ya Bro ya.
Introvert.
Tergantung
Yes,
karakternya setiap orangnya. Okay, I see.
that's just my opinion. Maybe I think I agree, bro Bisma, this Vivi, this Novi. I think I agree, but not everyone can be make new friend easily. I think like that, bro.
Okay, I see. Kayaknya barusan dengar suara ada yang menghidupkan mic, siapa? Okay, so what about Bro Fatah? Kalau dari Bro Fatah gimana nih, Bro Fatah?
It's difficult
It's
question.
difficult to answer.
Yeah. Okay,
So
but
why do you think that
I would
questions
like to try answer
Mhm.
with my honestly opinion. Yeah. I agree with Bro Halim that make friend is difficult, not
Okay.
easy, because sometimes we tidak cocok gitu apa.
Oh, we are not suit or we are not fit, bisa.
Yeah, we are not fit with them,
We are
and
not klop. Kalau slangnya klop bisa, Bro.
klop ya. Kalau formalnya
We are not fit. Sorry, should.
should. We are not
Sweet
should, yeah.
tulisannya, sweet atau tidak
Okay,
cocok.
should. We are not should with them. I am as a teacher sometime do seminar, and over there we met other people, other teacher. Over there I met them, and yeah, small talk, and do conversation about the project, about the task. But I think it's what is it? Sorry, what is it?
What do you want to say, Bro Fatah?
Yeah, it's not okay to make friends.
Okay.
Yeah. And then if we satu frekuensi.
Yeah, we have the same frequency.
Yeah, if we have the same frequency, we easily make friends with other people. I think like that. That's it. Thank you, bro.
Okay, great. Thank you, Bro Fatah. Sorry, wait a minute. I will respond. Sis Vivi. Yeah, it's really okay. By the way, Sis Vivi, if you want to leave the room first because you have a guest, right? It's really okay. No worries. Yeah, we can continue it with 3 people here. Okay, Francis, have you ever got any experience something like this one? Maybe at this one, I will ask to Sis Novisari, Rofata, and then Halim. For the first question, so I would like to ask you, what kind of people are you? And then, is it simple for you? Is it easy for you to get a new friends, by the way, with maybe the people that you have never met before, something like that, Prentice? What do you think? Kira-kira teman-teman tipikalnya orangnya seperti apa dan apakah mudah untuk bertemu dengan orang baru? Halo, Sis
Yeah.
Novi? What
Yeah.
about you?
Well, this is hard questions. I mean, this is the most challenging question.
No. I mean, it's a kind of, maybe I can ask about your experience to finding new friends, something like that, right?
Yeah, you know, in my opinion, because I'm kind of shy person.
Oh,
Actually,
okay.
it's not easy for me. If I have to start communication with new people.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's quite challenging for me if I make a
Okay.
friend because I'm shy person, and yeah, I have to wait that people will greet me.
Or start the conversation first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Same as me.
I could not start conversations.
Maybe
The
you can start to greet them first, but you couldn't start the conversation like that ya. Mungkin menyapa bisa, tapi tidak bisa
Yeah.
untuk memulai.
Yeah,
Okay.
even we just smile to them, that's one of the simple greeting.
So
Yeah.
yeah. I realize it by the way. Same as maybe we come. That's the point of view. Yeah, we come into the new environment and then like that, and then giving smiles to them like this one. Okay, yeah. I feel you. By the way, it's hard to me as well. By the way, Sister Visari, we have
Yeah.
to struggle for that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Then, do you have any additional, maybe, Sister Visari?
I cannot say that I'm introvert or extrovert persons because I don't know about that. Yeah. I believe that all the people have introvert or extrovert person, but
Okay.
we don't know the percent of introvert or extroverts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, in our feeling. Yeah.
Yeah. I feel you as well because this one, as my experience, yeah, Sister Visari, until now, even though it's so uh booming, something like that, right? The kind of people, I am introvert or you are extrovert, something like that. But until now, I couldn't take a place of myself to that kind of character, by the way. I don't know, I am extrovert or I am introvert, but it depends. I can say that I am shy to speak, to start the conversation, something like that only ya. Mungkin kan kita tidak, we don't know more about the explanations of extrovert or introvert, something like that, yes, it's not
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, I see that. So maybe if you are forced by the conditions, maybe, so what will you do, Sis Novi? Kalau Sis Novi itu dipaksa oleh keadaan, kira-kira how do you overcome that problem?
Yeah, I will try to talk a lot with them, and yeah, I think I will talk a lot with them.
While thinking to yourself, maybe.
No, to make sure that I can communicate with them, because maybe sometimes I don't have any idea what kind of topic that I can communicate with them.
Yeah.
So yeah, just small talk with random topics. maybe
It's
it will have,
only
yeah,
chit chat, yeah.
yeah.
Mm-mm. I see. I can feel you, by the way, here, Sis Nobisari, because maybe when I heard your explanation, when I listened to your explanation, I feel you. I can imagine, yeah, how if I am in that positions. By the way, okay. What about Bro Fata or Bro Halim here? So, what kind of person are you? And then, if you find the new environment, is it easy to you to find or ask them or to have the conversation with the people around you like that, Profata or Bro Halim? Hello, check Profata or Bro Halim.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Okay, so what do you think? What kind of people are you?
Uh, uh, maybe I'm an introvert people.
Okay.
Yeah, because I always feel shy when to begin make conversation with other people.
Mm-hmm.
But I always try to do it
Yeah,
because
to be brave enough, yeah, bro, yeah.
yeah,
Mm-mm.
because I need maybe some information or others. Okay, bro, that's it.
Okay, only that. What about Bro Halim? Kalau dari Bro Halim gimana nih?
Okay. I think that is a good question. I think I used to be someone who found it difficult. I am an introvert, but
Mhm.
now to get know other people. But my job requires me and directly my staff to look for as many customer as possible. So how to should we provide service to others to
Mhm.
get a new customer? Because I work in Bank Mandiri, so my staff to tag a new customer, and I think my staff as a security officer can ask a new customer and then how to open for example how to open uh, apa ya
How to
how
open the
to
conversation
the conversation with customer.
with the customer? Huh?
I think like that, bro.
Okay, I see. So I think is my question so hard to answer, by the way, Francis? Apakah sulit kok, kayaknya teman-teman bingung kayak gitu ya idenya. Okay, what do you think, by the way? It's quite hard, maybe?
Quite hard.
But actually it's about our daily life, yeah, bro, yeah. So
Yeah.
we have to face the other people, something like that. So it's related, right, with our life, by the way, so that can ask this question to you. Maybe about this one, do you agree if I say this one, Francis? Actually, how we can face a new people or talk with new people around us, it depends on the conditions, by the way. It depends on the our job that we have, something like that, because sometimes we will be forced by the condition, something like that. I know that you are a kind of introvert, maybe, and then you don't know how to start the conversations. But because it's big, because you have a job, maybe, and then you have to face a lot of people, so you have to be brave enough to speak with them or start the conversation, something like that. So, do you agree with that? Maybe, Bro Fata, Bro Alim, or Sis Novisari?
Yeah. How? What did you say?
Okay. So, by the way, I say about this one. it depends, Bro Fata. It depends on the
Yeah.
condition. Sometimes we will be forced by the conditions, yeah, because our job maybe we have to face a lot of people, so that even though we will not think more about ourselves, we are extrovert or introvert, even though we are introvert, but if we have some obligations of our job and we have to face a lot of people, so we have to be able to start the conversation, right? Willy-nilly, something like that.
Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
you agree with that?
Yeah, we have to brief myself to start conversation with them, because it's a must. I think it's a must
Yeah, it's a
to
must.
face a lot of people.
So that, yeah, do you agree, right, with my opinions that it depends on the conditions, by the way, bro?
Yeah,
It depends
I
on the
agree.
what we do. Yeah.
I agree.
Okay, I see. So what about Sis Novisari? Do you agree with that? It depends on the conditions, by the way, that sometimes you will be forced by the conditions, by the what you do as your job, maybe, Sis Novisari?
Oh, I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, I don't get your point. Maybe you can repeat the
Okay.
questions.
Okay, about this one. Some of you say that it's not easy, right, to start the conversation actually.
Yeah.
Okay, even though you have the new environment, such as like in the seminar, like
Yeah.
that, right? But sometimes it depends on the condition, tergantung kondisinya gimana. Even though we are kind of introvert or we are too shy to speak with the new people, but if we have the job that we have to face a lot of people, so we will be forced by the conditions, by our job, like that, sis. Jadi kita akan dipaksa oleh keadaan, oleh pekerjaan kita. So because it's a must, karena itu adalah sebuah keharusan, like that.
Yeah. Do you mean public speaking?
So actually, jadi maksudnya itu kalau dalam bahasa ini saya to make it clearly, by the way, more clear. So jadi maksudnya mungkin tidak mudah untuk secara pribadi kita memulai pembicaraan. Tapi jika kita memang itu tergantung sebenarnya. Kalau kita dipaksa oleh keadaan karena pekerjaan kita atau pekerjaan kita yang mengharuskan kita untuk berhadapan dengan banyak orang, jadi ya mau nggak mau kita akan berani untuk berbicara seperti itu. What about that?
Actually, when we get our jobs, it's mean that it is suitable for our characters.
Oh, but sometimes not, I think, right? Tapi kadang-kadang juga enggak ya, sis ya. Mungkin kita bukan passionnya di situ, tapi ditempatkan di sini. And then willy-nilly we have to be brave enough, right, to speak with the people, even though we are a kinda introvert person like that. Tapi apakah mungkin as your experience, as long as you are working, you got that experience that you will get the sweet job test with your like your character, something like that, Sis Novita, Sis Novi?
Yeah. For examples, if we have to promote the products, but we are shy persons, it means that we have to communicate and we have to talk and promote the product to the people. So even we are shy persons, yeah. I think it will be different in our talk.
Okay.
Yeah. If it is about jobs, we will do our best. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean, by the way. So it depends on the what we do, by the way, apa yang kita lakukan.
Yeah.
Maybe as a worker, but as a personal, tapi sebagai seorang pribadi yang mungkin kalau kita bertemu orang bukan karena pekerjaan, so we will not do that kayak gitu. So we will not be forced by the environment, by the condition. Jadi ya terserah kita mau gimana. Tapi kalau karena pekerjaan, So we will be forced by the conditions. Kayak gitu ya.
Yeah.
Okay, I see that. By the way, great. So that's what I mean, by the way, Francis is sorry as well. That actually it depends on the condition. Jadi itu tergantung kondisinya sih sebenarnya. Maybe as a personal we are shy, and then if we shy, we will not start the conversation with a new people, with a new person, with a new people around us. But if it because of our job, so we will say more willy-nilly. We have to be brave enough because it's a must. Karena itu adalah sebuah keharusan because of our job test kayak gitu ya. Karena pekerjaan kita kayak gitu. Okay.
Bro Yahya,
Nah,
can you tell us the meaning of willy-nilly?
willy-nilly itu mau nggak mau, sis
Oh,
Bisari.
okay.
So you can
Okay.
say mau nggak mau harus itu pakainya willy-nilly. Or I can say you this one. Jadi kalau willy-nilly itu ditaruhnya di depan ya. Jadi untuk bilang mau nggak mau itu bisa dua hal. Satu itu willy-nilly. Willy-nilly. Nah ini branches. Nah contoh kalimatnya adalah willy-nilly. We speak in front of a lot. Okay, in front of many people misalkan. Nah, ini adalah willy-nilly. Jadi posisinya itu dia ditaruh di depan seperti ini, koma. Atau dibaca we speak-nya dulu. We speak in front of many people willy-nilly itu juga boleh. Nah, tapi kalau ada yang lain satunya itu namanya I plus subject plus might as well. Okay, MEGHT, sorry. And then plus verb 1. Okay, plus object. Jadi contohnya misalkan dengan contoh yang sama ya, tapi saya pakai I might as well speak in front of many people. Nah, seperti ini sih. Jadi artinya willy-nilly, tapi susunannya berbeda. Kalau dia itu bisa sebagai klausa di depan biasa, tapi kalau ini dimasukkan dalam kalimat. Artinya mau nggak mau ya, teman-teman. So willy-nilly we speak in front of many people. Mau nggak mau kita berbicara di depan banyak orang. Oke, atau bisa I might as well speak in front ya, in front of many people. Saya mau nggak mau berbicara di depan banyak orang. So, what about this explanation? Can you get a point, Sis Novisari?
Yeah. This is
Okay.
new
Oh, it's a
vocabulary or
new.
new phrase, yeah. Willy-nilly.
Okay. By the way, it's a common phrase. It's a kind of slang, by the way, sis, untuk mengatakan. Maybe you just heard that ya, baru mendengarnya.
Yeah. I mean, this is new phrase for me.
Okay, I
Yeah.
see. Do you need to share about this one into our group? Mau
Yeah.
dikirim di grup?
Yeah.
Sebentar. Oke, cara bilang mau nggak mau. Wait, I give you the quotation mark. In English. One Francis.
So Yahya,
Yes, bro.
is willy-nilly formal?
Willy-nilly is not formal. The formal one is, this one is a kind of casual. Yang willy-nilly itu casual. Kalau yang might casual itu yang formalnya, bro.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, let me tell you this one. It's saya tambahkan sesuatu di sini biar teman-teman nggak bingung. It's for casual form. And then this one. It's a formal form. Okay, the first you can go with willy-nilly. Atau teman-teman juga bisa menggunakan Maxwell seperti ini. Oke, coba saya download dulu branches. Oke, sebentar, sorry. Oke, saya mungkin agak nutupin begini sedikit, nggak apa-apa ya teman-teman ya.
Yeah.
Oke, sebentar. Oke, wait. Oke, I have saved this one. I will share after this. Oke, mungkin ada pertanyaan lagi dari yang ini. Ada yang teman-teman butuhkan lagi mungkin. Contohnya hampir sama kayak frankly tadi itu teman-teman. Maksudnya kan kalau frankly itu kan sejujurnya. Tapi sebenarnya yang formalnya adalah kan pakainya honestly yang paling umum. Tapi itu jadi lebih menggunakan slang kayak gitu. Slang itu bahasa gaul. Bahasa gaul. Kayak di Indonesia kan kita punya slangnya pakai lo gue kayak gitu ya teman-teman ya. Itu adalah slang yang dimaksud slang. So it's a clear, Francis?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will
Thank you.
share
This
after
is new lesson for me.
Oke, ya jadi kalau teman-teman mau bilang mau nggak mau kayak gitu ya, pakainya ini ya teman-teman. Okay, I will share after this. Okay, so maybe I think that's all first, yeah, Francis, about our lessons for tonight. After this, I will share about the lessons that we have got after that, and I will share that into our group. Okay, I think that's all first. Thank you so much for joining the class, and thank you so much for having me. Let's close our class tonight by praying together first. Praying begin. Okay, finish. That's all first. And the last I say, see you tomorrow and have a good night, Francis. Bye-bye. Thank you,
Good night,
Francis.
bro.
See you.
See
Bye.
you.